Yellowstone National Park has once again demonstrated the dynamic and dangerous geothermal system hidden beneath its surface. A monitoring camera recently detected plumes of steam and smoke rising from the Biscuit Basin area, one of Yellowstone's most active hydrothermal vents. When scientists investigated a few days later, they discovered that a small hydrothermal explosion had occurred, creating several new vents and pools of boiling water. This latest incident serves as another reminder that Yellowstone's hydrothermal system is constantly changing and unpredictable. This incident occurred in the same area as a major hydrothermal explosion in July 2024, centered around Black Diamond Pool. That explosion spewed mud, rock, hot water, and steam into the air, causing significant damage to the surrounding area. According to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, this latest incident reaffirms that the Biscuit Basin area is highly active and potentially dangerous. Since the major explosion in 2024, the area has been closed to the public for safety reasons. However, the closure of the area has proved a boon for scientists. Monitoring instruments installed after the 2024 eruption may have captured the latest eruption at a very close distance, something unprecedented. Hydrothermal eruptions occur when hot water trapped beneath the surface suddenly turns into steam due to a rapid change in pressure. According to the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, this event can result in the sudden release of boiling water, high-pressure steam, mud flow, and rock fragments. These explosions often occur without much warning and can transform the landscape in seconds. Although Yellowstone is known for its hydrothermal activity, this phenomenon also occurs in geothermal areas around the world. Michael Pollan, a geophysicist at the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, explained that scientists still struggle to find definitive signs to predict hydrothermal explosions. Changes in hot pools, steam vents, or ground temperatures often precede an explosion. However, these changes are also common in active geothermal systems, making it difficult to distinguish which ones are truly alarming. Hydrothermal explosions remain one of the most difficult geological phenomena to predict. In various countries, several similar events have even resulted in fatalities due to their sudden onset. After the major explosion in 2024, researchers installed several additional monitoring stations around Black Diamond Pool. This decision proved invaluable. On the morning of June 23, one of the cameras accidentally pointed directly at the location of the latest explosion and likely captured the entire event. When geologists arrived at the site the next day, they attempted to trace the source of the explosion using the camera footage and acoustic signals recorded by the monitoring instruments. Interestingly, the temperature sensors showed only a very small increase, a stark contrast to the pattern observed during the 2024 eruption. As the investigation progressed, scientists discovered significant changes in the landscape around Black Diamond Pool. They discovered 3 new clusters of vents funneling hot water into the Firehole River north of the area. The temperature of the escaping water reached around 90 degrees Celsius, just below the boiling point. But the biggest surprise came a few days later. The area of ground previously under the research team's feet suddenly collapsed and transformed into a pool of boiling gray mud. The new pool measured approximately 6.5 meters by 5.3 meters and exhibited very intense activity. Camera data showed that the pool continued to spew hot water like a geyser until around June 18, indicating that the underground system was still undergoing active changes. Scientists are currently analyzing all the data collected from monitoring instruments at Biscuit Basin. They estimate the explosion was recorded from a distance of about 100 meters, making it one of the closest observations of a hydrothermal explosion ever made in Yellowstone. If the analysis reveals early signs before an eruption, these findings could be a crucial step in understanding how Yellowstone's hydrothermal system works and help improve visitor safety in the future. This latest event serves as a reminder that Yellowstone is not just a beautiful national park, but also a massive, constantly changing volcanic system. Beneath its seemingly calm surface, hot water, steam, and geological pressure are constantly at work, shaping new landscapes and occasionally producing explosions that can change the face of the Earth in an instant.